Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn reputation in Windrose. Now there are some things that you're going to need for you to be able to earn your reputation. For example, right here, we're going to require insignias that you can get from taking down enemies from Blackbeard's crew. You won't really have too much of a problem trying to get these because Blackbeard's crew is pretty much everywhere in the map, including their ships. Now once you have these insignias, make sure to find any of the friendly factions in the game. For example, right over here, there are the Buccaneers, another would be the Brethren of the Coast Waters, and another would be the Smugglers right over here. But you can find all of them inside Tortuga right over here, but it might be in a different location in your map or on your seed. Now inside Tortuga, you'll be able to find the bounty agents right here. For this guy, he is part of the Brethren of the Coast. And if I want to raise my reputation for this faction, as you can see right here, 148 out of 300 reputation points, I'll just exchange the insignias that I have on me and then place down any amount that I want and then press down sell. As you saw there, my reputation pretty much raised for the Brethren of the Coast. Now once again in Tortuga, you're going to find several of these factions. For example, right here, this guy is for the people of Tortuga. Another here is the Rogue Buccaneers. So you can pretty much exchange any of these insignias to any faction that you want. The benefits of raising your reputation on a faction is over on the provisioner right here. They will only sell you specific items once you've reached a certain level of reputation. For example, right here, these plants, I can't really buy them because I've not reached a reputation of level 3 for the Rogue Buccaneers. And the same thing applies to all of the factions inside Tortuga. And that's pretty much about it on how to earn reputation in Windrose.